How to import GPX files or other files format into OS map. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to import GPX files or other file format into OS maps. Now, a GPS exchange format file as well as other common file format to enhance their mapping experiences. Here's how you can import the file into your. First of all, go ahead and log in into your OS map account. When you're logged into your account, by default it's going to direct you to the home page. So after you're logged in, you can go and look for an option or feature within the app menu or settings that allows you to import file. This option may be labeled as import or upload or something similar. Locate the following option, then you can go and choose the file you wish to import from your device's storage. Ensure that the file is in a compatible format such as GPX or KML. Then go and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import. Depending on the file format, you may need to adjust settings or provide additional information as well. Once the import is completed, the imported data will be integrated into the map view within the OS map app, allowing you to explore and utilize it alongside other map features. Now, by exploring GPS feature or other compatibility format into OS map, you can overlay your own route, track, waypoints, and geographical data onto the map interface. Now, providing your additional context and customize options for your outdoor adventures and activities as well. That's basically how you can import GPX file or other file format into OS maps. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.